In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a testimonials widget to your website. We'll dive into how you can add entries, style them to fit your design preferences, and then finally publish everything for your audience to see. So, if you're ready to enhance your website's credibility with some impressive testimonials, let's get started. First, you'll want to log into your website builder platform and navigate to the page where you want the testimonials widget to appear. Once you're there, look for the option to add a widget or a component. This might be labeled as add, insert, or even a plus sign depending on the platform you're using. After clicking on this, you'll see an array of widgets you can add. Here, select the testimonials widget. This widget is designed to showcase reviews or endorsements smoothly, which are crucial for building trust with potential clients or customers. Once you've added the widget to your page, it's time to populate it with testimonials. Start by clicking the widget to open its editing interface. Here, you should see an option to add entries or reviews. Each entry typically requires you to fill in details, such as the name of the person giving the testimonial, their quote, and if applicable, their position or organization. As you add each entry, think about the content that will resonate most with your audience. It's often helpful to include specific benefits or experiences that highlight the quality of your product or service. Now that you have your testimonials entered, let's move on to styling them. The appearance of your testimonials can greatly affect how they're perceived, so it's crucial to get this part right. Within the widget settings, you'll find various styling options. These can include changes to the font size, type, and color, as well as adjustments to the background and layout. While working on this, aim for consistency with the rest of your website's design. A professional, cohesive look can contribute significantly to your website's overall appeal. Don't be afraid to experiment with different styles until you find the one that complements your site while ensuring readability. Finally, with your testimonials in place and styled to perfection, you're ready to publish. Double-check everything to ensure that there are no typos and that all links, if any, are working correctly. Once you're satisfied, hit the Publish button on your web page builder. After publishing, it's a good idea to view your website as a visitor to ensure everything looks the way you intended. This way you can experience your website from a user's point of view and catch any last-minute adjustments that might be needed. And there you have it. You've successfully added a testimonials widget, filled it with compelling entries, styled it to match your brand, and published it for the world to see. Incorporating genuine testimonials like these can be a persuasive tool, helping potential customers feel more confident in choosing your services or products. Thanks for watching and happy website building!